Morning. Let's be honest, you don't click on a soundbar video because you like speakers. You click because something in your setup feels flat, boxed in, lifeless. The JBL Bar 1300XMK2 steps into that void and makes you realize what your entertainment has been missing. This is for you if you're the kind of person who doesn't settle for okay audio, who notices when surround effects are bland and bass feels polite instead of powerful. You want immersion that doesn't just hint at depth, you want sound that surrounds you, pulls you in, and makes you forget everything else in the room exists. Before you keep listening, check the current price and availability. Systems like this, with real removable surrounds and full Atmos/DTS:X support, don't stay at honest pricing forever, and waiting usually means paying more later. You probably remember the exact moment you realized your TV speakers weren't cutting it. You watched a big action scene and felt nothing. Dialogue was flat. Music lacked body. Explosions didn't land. Instead of losing yourself, you kept thinking, this should feel bigger. That's when you knew your setup was holding you back, and you were ready for a real upgrade. The first time you power the system on, it feels like someone pulled back a curtain. Detachable surrounds place sound behind and beside you. Dolby Atmos lifts effects overhead. DTS:X fills in the nuances that never showed up before. The 12-inch sub doesn't just add bass, it anchors every low end with authority. You don't just hear audio, you feel it. Whether you're gaming, watching a blockbuster, or streaming your favorite playlist, this system doesn't just play sound, it projects presence. Footsteps feel directional. Soundscapes expand beyond the screen. Music breathes with depth instead of flat compression. That emotional connection, the one you knew your setup could have but never did, finally happens. And if you're thinking about waiting, consider this: premium soundbars with detachable surrounds and serious power tend to get snapped up fast. Prices fluctuate, stock tightens, and suddenly the deal you could have had is gone. If you worry it might be too much, that doubt fades when you actually use it. This isn't noise turned up, it's space. Everything stays clean, even at higher volumes. It feels confident, not frantic. Here's the part most people overlook: owning something like this changes how you choose content. You start picking movies for the sound experience, not just the story. You replay scenes just to hear them again. You don't tolerate thin audio anymore because you know what it can be. Immersive sound that wraps the room, bass that hits with real authority, detachable surrounds that place you feels like you finally hear everything, requires room space for full setup. Premium experience costs accordingly. Eventually, comparison loops stop working. You don't circle lesser options because you're unsure, you circle because you're delaying the decision you already know you want. Check the current price while it's still in your favor, trust that instinct that brought you here, and don't let this become one of those upgrades you postpone, then regret every time your system reminds you what sound should feel like.